How to make money on Kick.com. The first way to make money on Kick.com is to join the Kick Creator Program. The easiest way to start earning money on Kick is becoming the part of the Kick Creator Program. The requirements are easy. You only need 75 followers and a total of 5 hours stream. Once you become a creator, you'll have a chance to get a 95/5 subscription revenue share, and you'll receive 100% of the income from donations. As a Kick creator, you have the opportunity to engage with your audience and grow your following. You can also use Kick's built-in tools to create polls, quizzes, and other interactive content to keep your audience engaged. Number 2, earn donations. Even if you're not a Kick partner, you can still earn donations. You can use PayPal as a way to receive donations from your audience. Encourage your followers to support your content by donating, and you'll earn some extra cash. Tipping allows your followers to donate to you in real time during your streams. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to donate to you. Make sure to thank your supporters and show your appreciations to keep them engaged. Number 3, offer memberships. Another way to make money on Kick is by offering membership. Even if you're not a partner, you can still get memberships. Use platforms like Patreon to offer your fans a chance to be part of your community. You can offer different levels of membership with exclusive content, rewards, and perks. As a Kick creator, you can offer your members exclusive content that they can't find anywhere else. This could be behind-the-scenes looks at your content creation process, early access to new content, or exclusive merchandise. By offering your members something unique, you'll be able to grow your community and earn more money. Number 4, repurpose your stream for content on YouTube with Eclipse. Repurposing your Kick stream as content on YouTube is another way to earn money. Share the highlights of your stream on YouTube, and once your channel becomes popular enough, you can monetize the content and earn money from ads. By repurposing your Kick content for YouTube, you'll be able to reach a wider audience and have an opportunity to earn more money. Make sure it includes call to actions in your YouTube videos, encouraging your viewers to check out your Kick channel and support your content. Number 5, try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money on Kick. You can promote products related to your niche, and you'll get a commission for every sale that happens via your channel. It's a great way to earn passive income and promote products that you believe in. Make sure to only promote products that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience. By promoting products that your audience would actually use, you'll be able to earn more money and build trust with your followers. Starting your own store is another option. You can sell merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and other items related to your niche. Use your Kick platform to promote your store, and you'll be able to earn money from sales. By the way, the best way to start your own store is with Shopify, and you can get your first 3 months for just $1 by clicking my link down in the description. By selling merchandise, you'll be able to monetize your Kick channel and offer your followers something tangible in return for their support. Make sure to create high-quality merchandise that your audience would want to buy and use. Number 7, sell sponsorships or partnerships. Finally, when you have a large enough audience, you can sell brand sponsorships or partnerships. Other than sponsored content, you can also offer partnerships that might not give you money but can provide you with tools or services that you might need. For example, if you're a streamer who specializes in gaming, you might want to partner with a gaming chair company to receive a free gaming chair in exchange for promoting their product on your stream. Sponsorships and partnerships can be lucrative, but make sure to only work with brands that align with your values and that your audience would be interested in. By promoting products and services that your audience would use, you'll be able to earn more money and build trust with your followers. In conclusion, Kick is an exciting new platform that offers many opportunities for creators to earn money. By becoming a Kick creator, earning donations, offering memberships, creating content on YouTube, trying affiliate marketing, starting your own store, or selling sponsorships or partnerships, you can earn some extra cash on this platform. Make sure to always provide high quality content, engage with your audience, and promote products and services that your followers would use. By doing so, you'll be able to grow your following, earn money, and turn your Kick channel into a source of income in 2023. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.